This Sunriver Realty property video is presented by Tia Ullman. Lovingly maintained and custom built, ranch style, 4-bedroom home on an acre in La Pine. This single-level home features an open concept floor plan with elegant finishes and new appliances. Enjoy warm-toned wood laminate flooring, gas fireplace and tiled hearth, new interior paint and beautiful vaulted ceilings to complement your Central Oregon decor. The spacious primary suite is located on one side of home for privacy and separation from 3 more bedrooms located at the other end of the home. Open kitchen with plenty of bar seating with adjoining dining area. This oasis is complete with 3-car garage, paved circular drive, groomed outdoor spaces, covered patios, pergola, RV shelter, firepit, animal corral, small shop with metal roof and extra parking. All in a very private setting, tucked away on a quiet road and fully gated with 2 entrances. AC and gas fireplace. Maintenance contract for furnace included. For more information, review